Hello guys, RiderTech here. So, um, let's talk about maintenance and schedule maintenance. So the CB125R is going to do the 2-year revision, and I was just watching the clock turning 9,000 kilometers, and I find this funny because basically there's the police, and let me try to go here. This is why you get the motorcycle, to just filter traffic like there's nobody's business. So I was saying, we are going today to put the bike to the 2-year revision. That revision would be at the 1200 kilometers or the 2-year, whichever comes first. And no, now that it's over 9,000. So why should you care about this? Because you should keep up with your maintenance, and guys, read the manual. There's the intervals are always there. Some stuff is yearly, some stuff is biannually, but it's always there. And if you do it, the bike will never give you problems. It's really important for you guys to do that. Just to give you an example, you should change the brake fluid every 2 years. Some people will do it annually, and this is one of those things that you should always do religiously, because if the brakes get hot, the older the fuel, the higher the probability of the water in there, because that fluid will seep water, will just boil and you get new brakes. So keep in mind that always do your scheduled maintenance. If you are not sure that you can do it on the kilometer, do it by year. Just my 2 cents, guys. Just my 2 cents. From a guy that has a 125 that gave him no problems. This is what you should remember always. That's it, guys. I will not bore you with traffic, since that's what I'm going to do mainly. Is just getting traffic, stuff like that. But it's funny, 9,000. We missed the big moment, but we got the 9,000. There's the meme for you. See you guys.